Hi guys, and today we're going to be playing Space Engine. So let's get it in the game. Alright. So right over here, this is NGC 4274. So guys, let's go to the Pinwheel Galaxy. So yeah, last night Astroman was making a live stream with the Pinwheel Galaxy, so today I'm gonna do that for him by going to the Pinwheel Galaxy. Pinwheel Galaxy. Alright, so here's the Pinwheel Galaxy. Let's fly through in. Oh wait, let's make the speed. Alright. Oh, I left it. Wait, let's go back. Let's go back to there. So, guys, yeah, today is gonna be a good day. So let's go a little bit slow this time. Oh wait, I didn't make the speed right. Wait, let me move. Okay, let's go inside. And here it is. Let's go find a star. A star, and just find a planet. Alright, this one just has 2 stars. Alright, we're gonna go to this orange one. Rosaries. Planets. Oh, it has a black hole. Alright. Let's go in. Oh, and if Astronaut, if you're watching this, thanks for the live stream yesterday. And today we're gonna be filming the Orion Nebula and the Silvus. We can use the Whirlpool Galaxy too. But let's go to this black hole. Whoa! All right, let's go. A. So this black hole kind of looks cool. But let's now go back to HDR. Let's go and guys, right now we're gonna go to the Whirlpool Galaxy. Whirlpool Galaxy. So here is the Whirlpool Galaxy. Let's go to the side. Alright, I'm not going too fast. There it is. Boom. The Whirlpool Galaxy. Alright, so let's go right here to this small galaxy, which is NGC 5198, which is the small part of the Whirlpool Galaxy. Let's go in there. It's taking us there. Okay, boom. Now what we just have to do is find a system and then go inside to that system and then find a planet that we can able to look at the Whirlpool Galaxy. I'm going too slow. Alright, let's just... Oh, there's a star cluster here, but we're not gonna go there yet. We're not gonna go there. Alright, let's find a star. So, the star that says Ares is it was like, you know, procedurally generated. So it, like, if Space Engine thinks, so Space Engine can think like what is out there. Yeah. Let's go over there. Let's see if there's a system. Oh, there's 2 stars. There is a system. Alright, this star is currently is dying a little bit. Alright, here's a planet that we can only be able to live on. There's 3 gas giants. Alright, this one kind of looks like Venus. Let's go to this one. And then go. So we're gonna see, you know, the big galaxy. Oh, this planet has rings. Alright, let's land. And see if we can, you know, what? Oh, I left the system. Alright, let's go back. Just in case I have to do something real quick. Camera, everything is okay. Alright, I gotta check if I place this in English. No. Where is the... Oh, alright, there's a galaxy right over there. If you can see it. Oh, German. Alright, let's go with English. Let's go inside of this planet and see what we can find. Okay. We are going. We just have to... Alright, let's go now. Oh my gosh, I'm super sorry, guys. We're going inside. Wow, so this is what the Whirlpool Galaxy looks like when we're inside the planet. We can all... Oh wait, we didn't go down yet. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You can see the rings. And you can see the Whirlpool Galaxy. Now, what we're gonna do right now is, like, look at this now. Alright, this looks like a beautiful view of the galaxy. Like, really beautiful. Right? So what we're gonna do next is go find, like, a new galaxy, which is the last one. You guys wanted the Sombrero Galaxy. So we're guys gonna go to the Sombrero Galaxy. The moment that you all have been waiting for. The Sombrero Galaxy. Let's go. There it is, the Sombrero Galaxy. So here is the Sombrero Galaxy. Do you see how it looks like? It looks really cool. Alright, let's find a star. Like, so this is what it looks like. Yep. Let's go to this. Wait, let's check if there's a planet. No. Orange. Alright, let's go to a planet. Oh, these are stars. Oh, there's this planet, which is like super blue. It kind of looks like it doesn't have like an ocean. So Oris, remember Oris. Yeah. Alright, so its diameter. Alright, let me show you guys the diameter. Yeah, that's the diameter. Let's go inside, and this is just a water planet, I guess. Let's just go to the... Let's go over here to the sun side. Where the sun is. Where the star is. Alright, let's go. Yeah, it's a whole entire completely water world. This is what it looks like. Oh, it also has the moon. Wow, it looks pretty good, but this planet is kind of good. Now, guys, let's go to the sea. Like, it looks cool. Let's go to the Cigar Galaxy. Now, let's go to the Cigar Galaxy, which is M82. M82. Go to. Alright, I guess we cannot go to M82. Alright, let's go find, like, we're gonna go to the biggest black hole that was ever discovered, which is Ton 618. Ton 618. Central black hole. There is a galaxy, but it's not the central black hole. So this is Ton 618. Let's go to A lighting, and do you see how it looks like? So this is what it looks like. Let's go inside of it. So it just completely gets white. And yes. Now we're just gonna go to the galaxy. Now we're gonna go to this one. I guess it's a star. It is a star. Now, this is in the Milky Way. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe to Astronet, and see you in the next video. Bye.